The Office of Information Technology is excited to announce that a new telephone system is currently being installed on campus to replace our over 25-year-old system, with new phones being distributed to you over the next year. In this video, we will go over what to expect during this transition, along with some of the new features you can look forward to. First, let's introduce you to your new telephones. The phone that will be provided to the majority of the community is the AudioCodes 445 HD. The 445 HD boasts a color information screen and plenty of programmable buttons for speed dials and special features. Those who currently have more advanced phones will be provided the AudioCodes 450 HD, which includes a larger color touchscreen. General areas like classrooms, hallways, and residential common areas will be provided with the basic AudioCodes 405 HD. The new phone system is built upon Skype for Business, the instant messaging and communication system we already use. This means that you will be able to view contact presence status, start Skype meetings, view your calendar, and more directly from your telephone. Now, let's talk about some questions that you may have. First, what will happen to my phone number? All SMU phone numbers will remain the same, so people can call you like they always have. The only exception is for SMU in Plano. That facility will be closing, and as those individuals transition to the Dallas campus, their numbers will change from 972-473 numbers to 214-768 numbers. What about dialing extensions? Extensions will also remain the same. For internal calls, simply dial the 5-digit extension as usual. Will my voicemail change? The voicemail system will also remain the same and will function as it has before. You can also access your voicemail box by pressing the envelope button on your new telephone. How about dialing outside lines? Will I need to dial 9 before the number? The new phone system does not require dialing 9 for an outside line. Also, you do not need to dial 1 for a long-distance number. Just dial the area code and number like you do on your cell phone. Will I need to use my long-distance code? At long last, the new system does not require any long-distance codes. Dial the number and make your call. It's that easy. Our new calling plans no longer have the area code restrictions as our old service. International numbers will still require dialing 011, followed by the appropriate international country and city codes. Will I still be able to answer multiple lines like I currently do? Yes. All of the functionality you currently have, plus an array of additional features, will be delivered to you. Here's what you can expect over the next few months as phones start to be deployed. Once your building is ready for deployment, we will contact you to let you know when it will be upgraded. Before the conversion, OIT staff will visit your building to present more information and answer any questions you may have. Then, within a few days, the technicians will arrive to place your new phones and assist you with initial setup. With over 100 buildings to cover on campus, we expect the transition to the new phones to be complete in May of 2020. OIT is committed to keeping you well informed on this process, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 214-768-4357 or help@smu.edu. You can also visit our website at smu.edu/phone. Thank you, and we hope you will enjoy your new phone.